Dear friends, let's go on a fascinating journey through time to unravel the invention and origins of the television. Picture this. It's the early 20th century, and the world is on the brink of a technological revolution that will change the way we communicate, entertain, and learn forever. Our protagonist in this thrilling tale is none other than the brilliant Scottish inventor, John Logie Baird, who played a pivotal role in giving birth to the magic box we now know as television. The year was 1925, and John Logie Baird was a man with a vision so radical that it seemed as if he was trying to capture the very essence of life itself and broadcast it into our living rooms. Baird, a tinkerer at heart, was determined to do something that had never been done before: transmit moving images over the airwaves. And so, with a dash of Scottish tenacity and a pinch of genius, he set out on a journey that would change the world forever. Baird's first triumph came in the form of a primitive mechanical television system, which he aptly named the televisor. His design was far from perfect, but it was a giant leap forward in the world of visual communication. Instead of using today's fancy-pants LCD or OLED screens, Baird's televisor relied on a spinning disc with small holes, aptly named the Nipkow disc. This spinning disc scanned an image line by line, converting it into electrical impulses that could be transmitted as radio waves and then reassembled into a moving picture on the receiving end. But before we could binge watch our favorite shows, Baird had to overcome numerous obstacles. His early televisor could only transmit crude, ghostly images, resembling more of a spectral apparition than a bona fide television program. Despite these challenges, Baird's invention garnered much attention and curiosity, and he soon managed to transmit the first ever recognizable human face across the airwaves. Imagine the excitement and bewilderment of those early viewers as they stared at these flickering, ghostly figures on their screens. Baird didn't stop there. He continued to refine his invention. In 1927, he achieved another milestone by transmitting images from London to New York, crossing the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. This marked the beginning of a new era in global communication, connecting people across continents like never before. The world was beginning to catch on to the marvels of television, and the race to improve and commercialize this invention was on. Competing inventors and engineers contributed to its development, and soon, electronic television replaced Baird's mechanical system. But let's not forget the tenacious Scotsman, who paved the way and sparked the imagination of generations to come. In 1936, television broadcast became a reality in Britain when the BBC began regular transmissions. It was a game changer. Families gathered around their screens, captivated by the flickering images and the promise of a new era in entertainment and information. The television quickly became the centerpiece of living rooms worldwide, shaping culture, politics, and society itself. So, the next time you tune into your favorite TV show, remember the audacious John Logie Baird and his Nipkow disc, spinning away to bring you the wonders of the world through the magic of television. It's a story of determination, innovation, and a dash of Scottish flair that has transformed the way we experience the world. Thanks to Baird's vision and the relentless pursuit of progress, we can now sit back, relax, and enjoy the incredible world of television that surrounds us today. Cheers to the man who turned our dreams into reality.